What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Coming at you with the Galagans. Planet X fireworks brought to you by Intergalactic Fireworks of Lingham, PA. 30 shots. Face this way, so you got like fan action. Our description is right here. Only found deep in space. Listen to these creatures communicate with strobing minds. Chrysanthemums, the eerie sounds of the Galagans. Alright, let's take a look underneath of this thing. Galagans, 500 shot. Alright, Galagans, Planet X, 500 gram action, 30 shotter. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll see what you guys think in a few seconds. Galagan. I love it.